This outreach method is absolutely crushing it right now, and it's getting 30 to 50% response rates in my and my students' experience. And most copywriters or people who are trying to get clients don't even know that it exists. And it's called the Gamma Doc method. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know how to do it. You're gonna have the full template and the full system to actually make it work so that you can go ahead and get some high-paying clients. So let's get right into it. First of all, what even is a Gamma Doc? A Gamma Doc is pretty much like a presentation slideshow, except instead of it looking all plain and clunky like the ones that I used to look at when I was in school, it's actually something that looks really new, modern, and high-end. And it looks like something you spent a lot of time working on. And the reason why it's completely changing the game is because, first of all, what most people are doing right now, if they're even sending any value, is they're sending Loom videos. And Loom videos aren't bad, they're okay. It shows that you're able to get on screen, it shows how articulate you are, it shows that you know what you're talking about, but there's still more potential behind them. If you want to send more things on top of that Loom video, like some copy that you've written or some sort of deliverable, you want to send them over your portfolio, you want to send them over a link to book a call. All of those are a bunch more links on top of what you've already sent them. And now you've gone from sending them an outreach to basically sending them on a scavenger hunt. They have no idea where to go, what to do, and there's so many different messages in between that you might just lose them just because you're buried in their inbox. But the big benefit with a Gamma Doc is that everything is all in one place. Loom is embedded right at the top of the video, almost like a VSL. Your free value and your deliverables are below that. Then you have your portfolio and any other big authority drivers that you have. And then you have book a call links right there on the page where they can see your calendar. It's got one link, one page, and everything you need all in one place. But here's the reason as to why Gamma Docs are so much more effective and not just convenient, is because they have an extremely high perceived effort. See, everybody knows about perceived value, which is the perception of value of a certain thing. But perceived effort is important when you are outreaching because it needs to look like you took a lot of time. There's an example, okay? One guy sends you an outreach message where it's zero personalization. It just looks like it's something that he's copied and pasted to 50 other business owners that very day. Is that something that's going to intrigue you? Probably not. But on the other hand, let's say a guy flew to your house. He met you at the grocery store or something, not at your house because that would be creepy. He gave you his pitch, he gave you his outreach, he gave you the game plan, and you did all of this work just to try to work with you. Would you rather go with that guy or the guy who's just super lazy? Obviously, the guy who is putting in more effort. Another analogy, it's like the difference between a guy who just sends in his resume to the business and the guy who pulls up to the company. He goes, walks in the front door, talks to the receptionist, asks to see the manager or the boss or the guy in charge, shakes his hand, and gives him his resume. Which one do you think is more likely to get the job? Even if the guy who just sent in his resume has more experience or has had more clients or more years under his belt, the guy who actually demonstrated effort is the one who's probably going to get the job. Because I speak for a lot of business owners when I say just because somebody is highly qualified doesn't mean that they're the person that you want to hire, because the people who are highly qualified usually just want things extremely cushy. They don't want to do anything, they don't want to work. Whereas a guy who is actually hungry and ambitious, he'll go to war with you, and those are the people that you want on your team. And that is what you're showing you are when you have a very high perceived effort. Let's bring it back to the Gamma Doc. It's basically a personalized landing page that you've created for somebody that looks like it took you days or weeks to create from scratch, when in reality 80% of it is templatized. You can just go and duplicate it and then change up a couple of personalized lines or personalized words or personalized value in there, and now you have a whole new landing page for a whole new person. And the other amazing part is that Gamma Doc will actually give you a notification in your email if somebody has opened it. Then Loom will give you a notification if somebody has watched your Loom. So now you're gonna be able to see not only who actually goes and looks at your outreach, like you can see the seen message on Instagram, you can also see if they've opened it on Gamma, and you can see if they've watched the video on Loom. So you get to track and you get to know exactly what people have watched and what people have seen. Okay, so now you're ready to create your own Gamma Doc. How do you even do that? Well, luckily for you, I've literally done it all for you. So without any further ado, let me show you. You can go up here to this, 3 dots up here, click down to duplicate this Gamma, and now it will be yours. You can change up the title, you can change up the Loom videos, you can change up everything. And as you can see, imagine if someone sends you this, not just a Loom video, but an entire landing page basically dedicated and personalized to you. Now, I only have the beginning personalized, but you can personalize it everywhere. You can put their name, you can show their funnel, you can do so much different things in here. I really want to give this to you in order to inspire you, in order for you to get creative with it. Look at what I have, look at the things that I do, but also think to yourself, how can I use all of these different elements to make my own signature outreach? So Austin, this is like the first name. I don't actually know any Austins. Here's how I'll help you land an extra 30 high ticket clients in the next 90 days with content funnels. Then I have a Loom video right here. Loom video is still very effective because you're giving them a video, and you can embed it right here. So they don't have to go to another link. They don't have to go anywhere else. It's all right here. Then right here is the Loom library. So this is kind of Gamma section. This is like a new Gamma that I created for you guys, right? Not for the actual outreach itself. But if you want more inspiration on Loom videos, I have a bunch of examples right here that I'm putting out for free. You can go and watch them once you download this document. Now, the link for this will be down below in the description. It's inside of the free copy starter Starter Kit. That's where it's hosted, and that is right here on School. Right here on School, as you can see, there is a 9-week course right here for you, written out that you can go. Then there's tools, templates, resources. There's 40 copywriting success stories. There's just so much stuff in here that you guys get access to for free, $0 on the house. So go check that out and get this Gamma Doc and the Loom videos and everything for you. All the client getting stuff is basically here. All I ask is that when you do get a client, let me know. When you are somebody who makes a ton of money or you've absolutely revolutionized your business, you got a really sick deal, let me know because I would love to celebrate with you. So next is the next block, which is the deliverable. So I'd figure I'd skip the I'm good at copy speech and just prove it. I wrote a few emails in your voice below. And right here is the few emails in question. As you can see, all they have to do is double click it. They're still right here in the main tab and they can still go through. And now look here, they have a calendar. They can hop in this calendar and they can book a call with you. They can see when you are available. You don't have to send the link over after. You don't have to have that extra exchange. It's all right here. So if they look at it, they see it, they're like, okay, maybe, then they will just go right here and book. Still not sure? That's okay. Let me earn your attention. Right here, I have a photo of me and I have some other, I guess you could call it authority builders here as well. Some screenshots, some case studies, etc. Side note, I also work with my 2 business partners. Photos here. Very true, very true. Still, I have even more case studies. On top of that, case studies on case studies. I can also put a YouTube video in here. This is a 17-minute YouTube video. If you wanted to go really in depth on your system, on what you do, on who you've done it for, if you want to do an in-depth case study, then you have all the time in the world to do it right here. If they want to learn more and if they want to know more about you, you don't have to just send them over a 2-minute Loom video. You can also send them over content if they want to know more about you or they have some sort of skepticism that they need addressed. There's also a way that you can just embed a Miro board in here. So this is an entire Miro board where you can see different elements. You can basically map out their journey of what it looks to work with you, etc., etc. Then we have more elements. This is almost like from a sales page where it's comparing me to some other sorts of things like a content agency, a YouTube coach, an editor, just you, and you can basically compare and contrast, right? So there's so many different things that you can do in here. This is like 1% of the stuff that you could possibly do in here. Then I have another CTA to book a call with me, and then I also have the links to my YouTube and the links to my Instagram. The Loom video is going to be personalized for them. Oh, wow, Loom video where this guy is breaking down my business, doing an audit of my funnel and telling me some of the things that I could do to optimize and some of the opportunities that he sees in my business. Oh, a deliverable. Wow, he actually can write for me. He actually can write in my voice. It's all stuff that looks good. I'd rather him want to work with me. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to book a call with him. Let me see a little bit more about him. Oh, okay. He's been able to make this much money for this business in this amount of time. That's actually awesome. Here are some more of the proof and the strategies and the screenshots behind that. I'm still a little bit skeptical, so let me watch this whole video. After that video, I feel a lot more informed. Let me look at this Miro. Wow, it actually breaks it down and makes it so simple and true compared to the other options. He clearly is the best. So now I definitely want to book a call, but I still want to know a little bit more about him. So I'm going to go look at his YouTube and I'm going to go look at his Instagram. That is the thought journey of the Gamma Doc. Now, as a huge disclaimer when it comes to this outreach method is that your offer is going to matter so much more than your outreach does. It doesn't matter if it's the best outreach ever. I'll give you an example. Some guy wants to charge you $4,000 to shave a design in your chest hair. The offer is weird. It's strange. Nobody wants it. What if he sends you a really good outreach message though? It's like a huge Gamma Doc. He gives you testimonials and he gives you some of the past work that he's done and he gives you a VSL and he gives you deliverables. Well, are you going to want to hire him? No, of course not, because the offer is silly. Nobody wants it. It's too much risk. The price is too high. Nobody wants that offer at all. So you have to have a great offer to go along with this outreach. Otherwise, it will not work. And I'm sorry to break it to you, but just offering copywriting or copywriting services or emails are not good offers, especially in 2026. So what does this look like? Well, instead of saying something like, hey, I will write your emails, say something more like, I will optimize your Instagram funnel so that you can convert more viewers into leads, convert those leads into qualified sales calls. And then I'll help you close an extra 30 high ticket clients in the next 90 days. That is an offer. You're painting out the ROI, you're showing them their projections of what they can do and exactly how you're able to do it. And the skill is the exact same. It's still copywriting. All you're doing is applying your copywriting and also adding a little bit of marketing knowledge to it. It's literally just one extra baby step on top of copywriting that makes it work 10 times better. And the small problem is that you probably don't know how to do that. So I'll be going live on March 1st, breaking down the entire system behind how you're going to do this, the skills that go along with copywriting to make it much more easy and much more profitable, and the offers that are winning in 2026 that are getting my students some insane results. If you want the free Gamma Doc, go down below and download the free Copy Starter Kit. Link to that is in the description. And also don't forget to subscribe and be notified on YouTube as to when I go live on March 1st so you don't miss this amazing live class. And I'll see you there. Peace.